Yeah, but John, you're not understanding. I think the designs, they're not making a lot of sense recently.
But we need a solution fast.
We can't just do it normally like how we usually do it. I think modern times have changed a lot. We really can't afford to make people...
We need the furniture.
Yeah. You know what? Give me a second. Let me try to figure something out.
Yeah, check if there's any other shops or events that we can go to.
Ooh, actually, I might be onto something here. This could work. I think I've got a solution, John.
Hi there, I'm Lily from the Sydney Home Show, the content marketing manager down here. The first home show was back in 1974 and it was started because there was a gap noticed in the market and we wanted to fill it by bringing exhibitors and their services and products under one roof to all the visitors and the public. The purpose of the show is, as I mentioned, to kind of fill that gap in the market, and we have a really wide range of visitors. If you kind of take a look around, you'll see people from all ages. There's people from the first home buyer age bracket that are looking to renovate their house, as well as people all the way up to that senior age group that are wanting to kind of fill their forever home with incredible products and services. The logistics to us are probably the most important thing. We could not be doing the shows without them all around Australia. We have shows from Sydney, Melbourne, Perth and Brisbane, and we need the logistics to be able to get everyone in and out within that week period.
Okay, so we're Bora. We're a downdraft extractor company. So we replace your traditional overhead range hood. So you imagine steam rises up at about 1 meter per second. Our extractor extracts at about 10 meters per second. So you're not going to lose any exhaust air. Works like a dream, and it's perfect if you want to have like an open plan kitchen design where you don't want to have that big bulky overhead range hood in place. It looks fantastic, it works like a dream, and go check out Bora.
Hi, it's Sally from TGL. Now I'm with Belinda from Tucker. Hi, how are you, Belinda?
I'm very well, thank you. How are you?
I'm very good, thank you. And today I would like to have a quick chat with you, and I would like to know more about Tucker. And would you mind give us an introduction?
Most certainly do. So,
Thank you.
yeah, Tucker Barbecues. We have 3 locations around Sydney. We have a store in Tarrant Point, Mona Vale, and Silverwater. Tucker Barbecues is a very high-end product. So we do outdoor kitchens, which is probably heavily featured here. So we can, take you in and have a look, eh?
Sounds very good.
Yeah.
Sounds interesting.
Yeah.
Let's have a quick look. Alright, this is the one you're talking about, the outdoor barbecue. Right?
Definitely. So here we have a lot of different customised kitchens to suit every need, every customer's outdoor area, whether it be a small kitchen, large kitchen, whether it be pizza oven, gas barbecue. All our barbecues do have a dual fueled option as well. So customers, if they just want gas, they can just cook on gas. They want to cook charcoal, they just add a charcoal tray to the barbecue and away you go.
Oh, sounds great. I really love it. And maybe one day I'm going to buy something from you guys.
Come on down and do your...
Hi, Belinda. Thank you so much. Thank you for introducing all of this new barbecue thing to me. And what's new? What's new in the company?
We've got some very exciting new products on display that we're just featuring at the home show this weekend.
Alrighty.
Come on down.
Thank you. Let's have a look.
Come on down. So take a look at this guy here.
Okay.
New, it's a Cypriot add-on.
Okay,
So you
sounds
can do
interesting.
charcoal. So if you have a look inside
right.
here, charcoal based. It's actually a gas barbecue, but we've got the charcoal tray option inside. So
okay.
essentially you can run your skewers along this way.
I can tell.
Yeah. You run them this way as well. So
okay.
very versatile.
Alrighty.
Runs power.
Runs power. Is it gas or
Yep.
electricity?
So this is it's all gas, but obviously you need power for the motors.
Yeah.
But essentially, to get the charcoal going, turn your burners on.
Oh.
Yeah, and away you go. Yeah.
Okay, that's awesome.
So we've also got another product over here. Come and have a look at this guy as well. So when we talk about what's new, what we're doing at the moment.
Yeah.
See this table here? Okay, so this is actually what our bench tops are made out of on our kitchens.
Oh,
Okay,
yeah,
so
yeah.
you can actually use this completely outdoors.
Okay.
Okay, we make whatever size you want.
Oh, okay, so,
So
it
it's all
comes
custom.
customized.
Yes.
Oh,
Yep.
right.
So with customers who are fully exposed, want the longevity, something that's going to last outdoors, perfect table.
Awesome, awesome. You have a barbecue, you have outdoor furniture, so you got everything here.
Everything, one-stop shop. As I said, all our showrooms have got everything on display. So
Sounds great, sounds great. Thank you so much.
no worries. Have a good day.
You too.
Did you manage to find anything interesting or anything you wanted to buy here?
Yes, I do. There's some flooring I was looking at.
Yeah. Fantastic. So would you come again next year for this show, do you think?
Yes, definitely.
Absolutely.
Yeah, get some ideas.
Do you know anything about logistics?
Yeah, just to transport everything, like dropping in, out, stuff like this.
Yeah, exactly. So actually all this stuff here is being imported from places. And then that's what TGL offers. We're able to provide the service of bringing all the goods in a container. Looking at coming to the Sydney Home Show, did you find anything that you were looking for in particular?
Actually, we've seen a diverse range of things that have inspired us to think about more about what design features we want in a new home, actually.
Hello. Hi, how are you? Nice to meet you.
Hey, nice to meet you too.
Grab a seat, grab a seat.
Thank you. So
Nice. How's your day?
it's been pretty good, thank you very much.
all good.
So TGL, you guys offer freight services, is that correct?
Yes, that's correct. That's what we do. We're a shipping company.
That's good to know. Yeah, so for events like this, how does the logistics kind of operate?
All right, cool. For the TGL, we actually provide the logistics service for the exhibitors and the event like this, and also the international competition like this. We help with all the exhibitors to bring their display, to bring their equipment around, get into here and get out to back to their place. Logistics service provider. This is what we are and what we do.
Oh, fantastic. So you guys just do events or?
We do the events. We also do the commercial shipment, like the container size. For example, you have some furniture, you have building materials, you have machinery, excavators, big stuff like that. We bring that on board and we do the customer clearance and we can deliver to your door. So we cover it all.
Well, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Another successful show for the Sydney Home Show 2023. And we had great results participating at the event. Met a lot of good folks, solved a lot of logistics problems for a lot of good folks. And look out for us in our next event because we will be endeavour to attend every event that's going to be happening here in Sydney in all industries and trade shows, and our team will be running around like little minions and filming things and speaking to people and spreading the good word that is logistics. And on that note, thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed this event.